Wicked science experiments. You won't forget. The little Albert experiment conditioned a baby to fear fluffy objects, causing psychological damage. Dr. Linda Hazard, an early 20th century fasting specialist, starved her patients to death. In the 1950s, Dr. Wendell Johnson conducted the monster study, causing stuttering in healthy children. The Milgram experiment in the 1960s revealed people's willingness to obey authority, even to the point of causing harm. The Phipps's psychiatric experiments in the 1960s used LSD and electroshock therapy on children. In 1956, Dr. William Beaumont kept a hole open in a man's stomach for experiments. The Guatemalan syphilis experiment by U.S. researchers infected hundreds without their knowledge. The U.S. government conducted radiation experiments on its own citizens during the Cold War. The Aversion Project in South Africa forced curing of homosexuality through electric shocks and surgical procedures. The Dachau hypothermia experiments in Nazi Germany tested human endurance to freezing temperatures. The infamous Unit 731 of Imperial Japan conducted brutal experiments on prisoners of war. The Willowbrook hepatitis experiments intentionally infected mentally disabled children with hepatitis. The Holmesburg prison experiments exposed inmates to harmful substances like radioactive isotopes.
Like and subscribe for more.